If you love the power of Smartsheet reports but would like to take your data to the next level, you need Smarter Report to Sheet. Hi, I'm David from Smarter Business Processes. Today I'd like to show you how to get so much more from your Smartsheet reports. By automatically copying your report data into a separate sheet, Smarter Report to Sheet allows you to run all sorts of analytic functions on your data that you just couldn't do when it was stuck inside a report. Let's have a look at Smarter Report to Sheet in action. Let's say we're running several projects and we need to monitor our portfolio. Each project sheet summarises its own data on the first row, highlighted here in green, with totals for duration, hours, price and a calculated percent complete value. Here we can see our projects report, which collects these first rows together. Now, while this is a great set of data to look at, wouldn't it be great if we could perform some even deeper analysis on it? Smarter Report to Sheet lets us do this by automatically copying the data from this report into a separate sheet. Now the data is in a sheet, we can set up formulas like VLOOKUP, index match, counts and sums from anywhere else in our Smartsheet environment, pulling the data from this sheet, something we couldn't do against the underlying report. This is particularly useful, for example, for creating metric sheets like this. We can, of course, already collect this information by setting up individual cell links directly to each of our project sheets. But this means having to set up new links as new projects are onboarded and manually removing links to archived project sheets. By setting up formulas against our destination sheet, we will never again need to manage individual cell links to all of our underlying project sheets. By leveraging the power of Smartsheet reports, we let Smarter Report to Sheet do all that hard work for us, making data analysis so much easier and always current. This is controlled via our online control panel, which you can see here. We simply select the source report and the destination sheet, and then we can choose the appropriate options and click Save. But you can use the Run button to launch immediately. Because our destination data is in sheet format rather than a report, we can add our own columns for calculated values, and we can even run centralized automations, all functions that are just not available for reports. So next time you need to analyze report data, make sure you have Smarter Report to Sheet. It's report analysis, only smarter.